Hey everybody,
Hi.
welcome to another little drawing where we draw little things on little sheets of paper.
Yep.
Here we go.
Ooh.
And today we have Izzy's friend Fadel with us. Say hi Fadel.
Hi.
Fadel's with us and we are going to draw an
And.
we're drawing an ant. So we start right here. We make a little circle
Okay. Okay.
and we draw a little pupil in there because that's an eye.
Okay.
And then we draw another circle there.
Okay.
And we draw another eye there, people. So he's got two eyes. Okay. So from that eye, we draw a line and connect it to this eye.
This line.
That's good. That's good. Let me see yours, Izzy. That's good. And from this eye, we draw a line over the top.
Top.
See, now it's a head with two eyes.
Okay.
And now we add a little smile.
Smile.
And an ant has tentacles. So we draw tentacle there and another tentacle there.
Yeah.
Yep, two tentacles. So now we're drawing a little oval shape there,
Oval shape here.
another smaller little shape on there, another little circle bit on there.
Yeah.
Let me see yours, Izzy. Are you okay over there, Izzy?
Yes, huh?
Yep, your drawing is going well. Fadels is going well. And now we draw a bigger, longer shape at the back here. Another oval.
One shape here.
Yep. And now we draw three legs here. You see I'm doubling up the line. Can you do that? And come. There we go. And another one in the middle.
Another one in the middle.
And another one at the back here.
Another one in the back here.
Yep. And we can draw lines over this back here.
No.
And there we have it, everybody. That's our little ant. Izzy, let me see yours.
Yep.
We've got Izzy's ant, we've got Fadel's ant, and we've got my ant. Okay, so now for color. What color is your ant gonna be, Fadel?
Where?
We're gonna take it in. So over there, that's a pink. I think that's reddish, and yeah, red is our smallest one because it's used the most. Izzy, which one? Which one? What color you going with? With blue. My ant's gonna be brown. So here we go. This color. And there we have it, everybody.
Yep.
That's our ants. We've got the blue ant, the red ant, the brown ant. You have fun, Fadel?
Yes.
It was nice having you with us today.
And
Yes.
the thing I copied the main character from a Bug Life.
You copied the main character from A Bug's Life. That's cool. So there we have our 3 ants. Thanks for watching, everybody.
Yep.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click that bell icon to get notified of any new videos, and always remember to be good
And have fun.
and have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
Good boys.